Hi everyone, I'm Miss Rosemary, and today we are going to make a 3D caterpillar out of paper. So in your kit you're going to have 2 sheets of paper and some little green antenna. The first thing we have to do is cut out around the green edges for the body of the caterpillar. I think our little caterpillar is going to be really cute, and you're going to have a lot of fun making it. And using scissors is a good skill for a child because you have to be able to cut things. So we cut out the edges, and over here there's a line that we are going to make a nice crease like that because we're going to use that later. So the next thing we're going to do is cut all these dotted lines to make his body. So I'm going to show you a couple. I'll just keep cutting for a little bit and get a couple done. It takes a little while. So it's going to look like that. And I actually have one that I finished over here. So see how it's our little fold right there? It's going to come really handy when we're gluing them down. So I'm just using glue stick, and on the little fold, we're going to do this with every single one of these. And we're going to form a loop. So this is probably the hardest part of it. And it's not even hard. You just have to glue them all down. It's just going to take a little time. Oh, see? I'm having a hard time doing it myself. That's because the glue's on my thumb. So, if kids like to play with the glue, they're going to have lots of fun doing this. So, and when you're done, it's going to look like that. The next thing we're going to do is cut out the 2 head pieces. And it already has a face on it, so we just have to cut them out. Lots of cutting. But again, using scissors is a really important skill because the kids will have to do that a lot in school. Him a little bit here. I kind of cut off his head a little. Okay, so we have our 2 head pieces, and now we need the 2 antenna pieces. So what we're going to do is glue the antenna pieces to one side of the head piece. So there's one. And there's the other. So this is actually going to be on the inside, and that will be the outside. So now we take the body of the caterpillar here, and right on the bottom, we're going to put some more glue. And we're going to glue it to the bottom of all these cut pieces here on one end. So like that. And then the other piece, we're going to put some glue down there. And glue it to the back side of the body. So right now he looks like that. The last thing we're going to do is put some glue at the top. And pinch the two head pieces together. And he's done. And that is your 3D caterpillar. I hope you had lots of fun. Don't forget to come into the library and pick up your kit for the caterpillar. That will be at the children's desk. And we'll see you later. Bye.